I'm Brian Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools. Today I want to show you our new product we came out with, the Innovative Weld Station. What separates this from everybody else, we put sheet metal around the sides so your co-workers don't need to worry about getting flashed from while you're welding or sparks coming off. It's got aluminum work surface. It's got a 4.5-inch vise. It's got a magnetic gun holder, so you can put your gun pretty much anywhere you want where it's convenient for you to use. It comes with a marker for marking your acrylic board. It comes with a tray with 3 dividers in it for your different coupons. Gauge comes with a metal gauge. Here it has the acrylic board here, and then another tray to hold all your tools. And it's got 2 shelves so you can throw your welding helmet and your welding glove on the bottom. Like I say, it's all powder coat. It's a lifetime warranty. It's got the great Total Lock caster on it so it's not moving around while you're doing your stress test. We have virtually unlimited movement here where you can put this at any angle you want. Say if you wanted to do overhead welding, you can practice your overhead welding. You can put it at an angle. Whatever you're going to be welding on the vehicle, you can get your right angle and get some practice in. It's perfect. Once you get your welder dialed in, you can take your acrylic board, and we have the instructions on the back of the acrylic board how to do your stress tests on your weld. So you just put it right there. Once you get your welder dialed in, write the repair order and the model number and document that you certified your weld. That's the Innovative Weld Station.